Alright, welcome to Garage Mahal. Today we are going to be unboxing and trying out the 6-inch economy Carpenter's vise with clamp from Central Forge. You can get these at Harbor Freight relatively inexpensive. You can also get them on Amazon. I'll put the link down below. But that's the box. Nothing else is really in there. Cardboard block. So that's the vise. Really not packaged all that well. I put my gloves on, but get your operating instructions. And that looks like the vise. Oh, it's got a nice little... Oh, okay, so you don't even have to mount it permanently. It's got some screw holes, but I was going to put it right here at the corner of my workbench. Got a nice little turn. Tighten it down pretty good. Alright, so that's the vise. I want to see how far it goes out. Because it gives you some screw holes so you can put some blocks of wood in here so you're not marring up your work too bad. Alright, so that looks like that's probably about as far as you're going to get it. So I'll probably go out a little bit more. Let's see how far I can go out. So I think about 5 inches is about as far out as I want to go with that. So I'll give you a good idea. So if you put some half-inch pieces of blocks of wood in here, which you have for screw holes to be able to do that, as well as you can mount that a little more permanently on your workbench. But let's see how well this works. Piece of scrap wood. So that's nice and tight. Get the handy dandy planer here. Let's plane this down. So it holds a piece of wood pretty good. Nice and secure. Yeah, I know, not the best planing skills in the world, but you get a general idea. So, that holds it pretty good. And if you can look, it really didn't mar that piece of wood really at all. So, I mean, if you want to put a block of wood in there, that's great, but coming out of the gate, that thing looks pretty solid, nice and straight. I thought I was going to get some marks on the wood, but as you can tell, that's pretty good. So overall, I think that was a pretty decent deal. Alright, there you go.